the Mobile Home Mama. We're here pumping out another one this morning. I have some new things to show you in this video. I can barely contain my excitement. I've never showed you guys this option, but what we've done, let me give you a little background here. I had a bachelor man come in. He's going to be living by himself, and we found a floor plan that was perfect for his needs, but it just wasn't quite big enough. So now I'm going to show you what we can do in that instance. We took the home, we stretched it 2 feet in the width and 4 feet in the length. So what we've done is we've added a foot to every room on each side for the entire home. And we also did a 4-foot stretch in the living area, making the living room large enough so we could fit an island. Nice separation here. We took the island and kind of separated the kitchen from the living area and made it so that we had 2 separate rooms. So here, we also made it wide enough so that we could add a dishwasher. We've done some more cabinetry in here. Timberwolf hardwood we've added. Microwave above the range, that is an option. Stainless steel appliances we've got. The dishwasher to match over here. Now, here at Champion Homes, we have added some new standard features midway through the year. We've added can lighting in the Dutch Diamond series. The refrigerator shelf was always a standard feature. 18 cubic foot, and we're really proud of the Whirlpool appliances that we supply. Some great storage in this island. 2 full cabinets with some side storage as well. Look how big this living room is, guys. We took a 14 by 32 and stretched it to a 16 by 36. I've done a video on this before at the normal size, and I forgot to show you the bathroom last time, so I'd like to take a peek in here.
We're at the 3061 screen. Billy goes. Okay, I tried calling Chris. No answer. Okay. Copy that.
In the bathroom, we've added a walk-in shower. As we head back towards the bedroom area, we're going to be approached by the back door, furnace, hot water heater right beside it, as we enter into the master bedroom. Now, folks, you can sleep to the soothing sounds of your dryer, right here in your master bedroom. So talk about a tiny home with some big features, right? I can help you solve any problem. I can help you create the home of your dreams. Come visit me. Let's sit down and talk about this. I want to know your wants and needs, and let's develop and build a home together. Thanks for watching.